Very interesting stuff from Killer Zivo. And the brave will walk towards the light. The cowards will pretend to be confused, not knowing the difference between light and darkness. Please don't stop for them. Keep on walking. You are just a few meters away from the light. Zimbabwe iri murima ike zvinezvi. Chiedza ndo chiri kuuya. Chiedza ndo chiri mberi. Advocate Nelson Chamisa and Triple C is the light. ZANU PF is the darkness. So, ukaona kuti uko ndo kune chiedza, you have to move swiftly, patiently, responsibly, and fast enough to get to the light. 2023, 23 August, we have elections. We are in darkness. Magetsi hakuna, zvikoro hakuna, zvipatara hakuna, maloni hakuna, banking hakuna, infrastructure hakuna, nhamo iriko, nzara mudzimba yazara, vakadzi vapera nekutorwa, mhuri dzaparara, vanasikana vari kungonyengwa zvisina ati. Nyika haisiri nyika, tava chiseko chenyika, mabasa hakuna. Nyika dzese dziri kuda kuseka dzinoseka Zimbabwe. That is darkness. What is light? Take a look on Advocate Nelson Chamisa's policies. He's talking about infrastructure, good infrastructure. He's talking about responsible mining. He's talking about nationalization of key resources. He's talking about jobs, creating jobs. How do you create jobs? That is very important. He is articulating how he is going to create jobs. He's talking about a stable banking sector. Yes, it's key. He's talking about a stable Zimbabwean currency. He is talking about responsible education systems. He is talking much about development of Zimbabwe, empowerment of the Zimbabwean people. If it is about farming, he's speaking about smart agriculture. He's speaking about equitable distribution of wealth and resources. I just mentioned a few. There are so many issues he's speaking about. There is a policy document which is there, the best policy document in this African region. So, that is the light. Iwewe moyo wako unozviziva kuti moyo wako haudi ZANU. Unoziva kuti moyo wako uri kutaura kuti Vhotera pana Chamisa, but because of greediness uri kuramba uchingonoti ipapo, because of ignorance uri kuramba uchingoti paZANU ipapo, because of fear uri kuramba uchingoti paZANU ipapo. Let us wake up as Zimbabweans. Let us start to work for change. Let us brace up for change and make sure that we deal with these issues of change.